Hey everyone, let's cover the key mistakes to avoid in your free Freshdesk setup. First, always verify your support email. Go to admin, then email, and complete the verification so tickets are created. Look for a green verified status. Second, manage team roles. When adding agents, assign them the agent role, not admin, to protect your settings. Third, customize your portal. Go to admin, then support portal, and add your logo and a welcome message so it looks professional. Fourth, use canned responses. In your profile settings, create saved replies for your top 3 questions to answer tickets in seconds. Fifth, assign every ticket. Use the assignee field on each ticket or set up a simple automation rule to auto-assign based on category so nothing gets missed. Sixth, check your spam folder daily in the tickets view to rescue any customer messages that were filtered incorrectly. Do these 6 things: verify your email, set correct roles, brand your portal, build canned responses, assign tickets, and monitor spam to start strong. If this guidance was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.